Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I'll show how to draw a rickshaw in AutoCAD software. Here, you are watching uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 wheel, which is different radius. The first one is the 15, 14, 13.7, 1.5, 1.25, and 0.7. So, at first, I'm going here for taking the new drawing. Then I want to select the unit center. I'm taking the engineering and taking the precision will be 0.01. Here normal settings, erosion, go to the standard and manage dimension style. Going to the modify. After that I want to symbol will increase 1.2.5. Then text will be 3.5 inch and the primary which will be engineering and it will be 0.01. Okay, done. Close it. After that I want to create a circle. I can take it from here or I can import by CI. Then enter. The first circle will be 15 inch. Then right button is click, again circle. The center point is showing. Taking the 14. Again circle. Taking it 13.7. Then again taking 1.5. Okay, enter. Then I'm going to take the line command. I can take from here or put the line. Enter. I can draw a line from here to here. The okay, right button is click. Enter. Then I want to go into pattern array. Polar array is selected. Click on this line. Then enter. Then click on the center of this circle. I want to take the line will be 18. Then close it. You're watching. Then I want to take the circle again. So right button is click. In recent input, I'm taking the circle. And the circle will be 1.25. And the circle is down which will be 0.7. Okay, done. Then I want to select the layer. So layer, enter. I want to take the new layer. It will be the wheel. So the color I want to take the color is that one. No, that color. I can take. And the another color is dimension. Dimension. I want to take the dimension in this color or this color. Then close it. Then you are watching the whole will be this color. So select the whole body. Then going here and select the whole. Okay, done. After that, I am going to select the dimension. Going to the radius. This one will be 1.3. I mean 1.15 inch. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. Fourth one. Then fifth one. Fifth one. Then sixth one. Sixth circle is done. I think this color is not visible, so I can change layout. Then going here, I want to take this color. Okay, this one is visible. I think you are watching this one. Okay, and this one. I think got it. The alignment is there is some problem. So we are going to the previous section. Now this one is okay. So 1.3 is meaning 1 feet 3 inch. I mean 15 inch, 1.2 12 inch, sorry 14 inch, and 1.17 is 13.7 inch. 1.5 means 1.5 inch. Then 1.25 and 0.7 inch. I think got it everybody. If you are benefited, then subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.